just want to thank you all for being here. This was something that we really envisioned as an event to convene the community, to celebrate women, to continue to push our mission of diversifying our industry.
It's really terrific to see all the women involved in this today.
Women in Manufacturing, as I said, it's a national association dedicated to supporting, promoting, and inspiring women.
That growth mindset is really critical, right? That sense of rigor, that sense of like, I'm gonna put one foot in front of the other and I'm gonna get this done.
I hear a lot, you know, you can't be what you can't see. And so seeing other women doing things that, oh, maybe that could be me in like 10, 15, 20 years is really important.
Always be confident. Don't be afraid to fail. And even if you do fall, get back up. Keep fighting and you'll win.
So thank you, mHUB. Thank you, Women in Manufacturing, for all you're doing to advance this and to encourage women to get involved in this very important industry for Illinois.